Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to RNB Pampanga.
For today's vlog, pupuntahan natin itong one of the sikat na bar dito sa Angeles City and kilalang kilala to since 1998.
Wow, one of the longest running bar and restaurant dito po sa Angeles City, guys. This is RNB. So yun guys, we're gonna show you guys kung paano mag-party yung mga tao dito. Tingnan din natin yung mga pagkain nila, of course. If you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
To all the Philippine in the house, magandang gabi. Ayun.